Nick works hard. Really hard. He always has. He's up and on the road hours before rush hour every day. At least he gets to skip the traffic. More often than not, Nick starts his days at his buddy George's restaurant next to the on-ramp. George opens the doors at 5, so he knows a thing or two about working hard as well. Nick only got a few hours sleep last night. He had worked all day and then drove down to the border to pick up something he's been looking forward to seeing for a little while now.
And here we are, bumper to bumper traffic because it's a long weekend. But anyways, it doesn't matter. It's Friday night. We're not in a rush. We just want to pick up our new dyno and bring it to the shop and get those engines on the dyno and get them going. All this for dyno testing V8 American engines. Let's bring it back to the shop and get going. Just picked up our dyno, upgrade dyno last night from the border of the New York State.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, Frank.
You're welcome, Nick.
Thank you.
My pleasure, man. This is great.
And we brought it in last night, and today we're going to unbox it. Can't wait to see it. It's the SF902. So we're going to go to the shop right now, right after breakfast, and we're going to unbox it and see what it looks like and see what we've got.
Yeah.
Yes, can't wait to see it. Let's go to the shop and open up that box with the dyno in it. Come on, can't wait to see it. Let's go.
Let's get going, guys. Unboxing. Unboxing Christmas Day in September.
Okay, bye. Bye. Let's open up the box and see what our dyno looks like. Surprise package. Yesterday was my birthday. I went down to the warehouse down in New York State and picked up the dyno. As you can see, it's right here. It's packaged. So we just brought it into the shop, and now we're going to find a way how to open it because I want to make sure I don't damage anything. I was telling you folks I ordered a new one. It's an upgrade kit. Here it is. Can't wait to open it, unbox it, and see what we've got and see what it looks like. Let's open it up. Release the beast. Let's go, man. Wow, they sure did a good job with packaging here, let me tell you. Okay, here it is. The magic moment we're waiting for. My new updated dyno. Let's take a look. This right here. Computer. This console's pretty big. It's a lot bigger than the one we used to have. Of course, this is updated up to an SF902. But it looks like we're gonna have to change the office. And we're gonna have to do some modifications there. So here, this is 5 feet wide. So let's go measure mine to see what modifications we have to do in the office. Okay, let's take a look. Oh wow, 5 feet. This is what, about 40 inches wide compared to the other, which is, well, this is just a little bit bigger than 3 feet. And the other one's 5 feet. So we'll have to do some modifications here in the office. So we're gonna move the table over, the desk, move the cabinet, and don't worry, we'll make it fit. Unboxing day, here it is.
Unboxing day.
I gotta see what this thing looks like. Wow. It's a lot bigger than I thought. I guess it's the back side. There's more boxes here.
There's a whole bunch of boxes.
So what do we got here? Light monitor. Okay. Wow, this is a lot different from the one we have. Wow, this could be nice. After 2 decades of the old dyno, and now we upgraded to this one here. Can't wait to put it in the office, in the dining room, and get it going. After all, I got a few engines waiting, and all my clients know that I have a dyno coming in, a new dyno. Here it is. So I'm gonna get started as soon as I can, but I have to wait for someone from SuperFlow to come here and install it for us, because it's a 3-day installation. Put it in. Of course, I'm gonna give him a hand, install it in the, to make the conversion over on the older one, and get it going. Okay, let's see what we got. God, how many boxes are there? You know, we got a lot of boxes to open up here, right? Got a lot of packages to open up for my birthday. Box after box after box. I just can't wait to see what all these boxes contain.
Nick is thrilled to receive his dyno upgrade, and he can't wait to get it running. But unfortunately, the expensive new gear didn't make it all the way from Colorado without any issues.
You know, this thing wasn't cheap, but look, I already got damage on the table, on the desk. What a dumb idea. What a dumb idea. You know, this is the way this was packaged. Look, it's got sharp edges. It was right here when we opened the box, and it bounced around during shipping. Look what it is. Damage to my desktop right here and right there. Great. And there's no damage on the box, eh? Do this with your hand. Touch it. Touch it. Okay? This, what's here, 1 box there. This was in the middle, 1 box there. And you know, it was
not wrapped, not tight.
They should have shoved it under there. Should have shoved it under there.
It's a shame. If only SuperFlow had used a little more than some bubble wrap to separate the heavy valve controller from the nice new desktop. Anyway, everything else seems to be pretty well wrapped and packaged, so Nick borrows a page from another Canadian YouTuber's book and gets down to some unbox therapy.
Here we go. This is the throttle. Hey, check this out. Holy Marine Products. Check it out. Yeah, there it is. All right. It's a screen. There we go. We're gonna have a lot of screens on this desktop. Oh wow, check this out. Wow, check it out. Oh. Emergency stop. Wow. Check it out. This is nice. Look at that. Nobody can use it without the key. Oh, I can't wait to set this up. Neat. Let's see what the other boxes have. Okay, let's see what we got here. Computer. Here we go. Wow. Here we got keys, software, cables, and fuel turbines. Yeah. Oh, these are the heat sensors. Check this out. All brand new stuff. Of course, every dyno runs on a lot of cable. God, there's a lot of cable here, man. And we have one more box to open up, which is the biggest one. And let's see what we've got. Unboxing day. Oh wow, check this out. Jeez. Oh my God. Where's that all go? Ah, check this out. This is a completely different setup from what I have. Completely different. So look at this. It's got a different board.
Looks like, you know, the computer board in the first Jurassic Park?
It's going to take a little time to put all this together, but with any luck, Nick will be using the new dyno to build monsters very soon.
The first engine I got on the dyno right now is a Hemi, which is still sitting on the dyno, which I have not tested yet. And this is another one for a 64 Polora. This is for Tony, another Hemi. And right after that, I've got another Hemi from Ottawa. So let's get this one going. If everything goes well, I got another Hemi. And I got a 340 also from Ottawa, 1972. A blue engine. Yeah, keep cutting those tire ups, you guys. We'll find them all. And we're gonna start blasting down one and we'll take it from there. So it should be good, hopefully. And the nice package we got here today. Overwhelming, I like it. And let's see how it goes. And for my birthday, it sure is a nice gift. The only thing is, I paid for it. We have a lot of work to do today. Oh my God, I got a project, I got engines, I got a dyno to set up. Even though I work 24/7, I'll never catch up, but I will. I will, because I'm going to be here tomorrow night. Even though Monday's a holiday, I'm going to be having closed doors here, but I'll be in the back working. Even though Sunday, I might come Sunday for a few hours to catch up on a couple things. If not, you got to do it, because that's the way it works. Can't let anybody down. Got a lot of things to do. You got to make time, which I will. I'll come in after hours, overtime, close days, come in. Whatever it is it takes, I'll do it. Cheers.
Nick works hard. Really hard. He always will. The people who depend on him mean way too much for him than to take it easy. That kind of work ethic is tough on the guys who work for Nick. But they would tell you that they love every back-breaking, sweaty minute of being in the shop. At the end of the day, it's all about the cars. And today, a couple of Nick's clients drop by to say hi and show off their beloved cars as they're out enjoying what for most people is a long weekend off.
Check this out.
Put in a 400 cubic.
PMD, Pontiac Motor Division. And what do we got here? A 400 Pontiac.
This passion for the cars that keep Nick working so hard has been shared around the world thanks to all the viewers who love watching on YouTube. Viewers who've been sending in their flags from their home countries and states.
Check out all those beautiful colors of all the flags from all over the nations. Beautiful. Nice job, Leo. Nice job. So you guys send me your flags and we'll be more than glad to put them up here at my shop. Look at that. We got all the bright colors. I just love it. So send them in and we'll keep putting them up.